Hi, today I'm making beef stew. It's yummy, a little soupy, and it's perfect to be eaten during rainy days. Okay, we need beef or chicken or minced meat, chicken or beef. Now here I'm making mixture both beef chunks and minced beef as well. Okay, now second ingredient is onion and garlic, chopped and crushed, and we fry them. Once they're a bit soft, add in a bit of a dash or two of balsamic vinegar. Fry them. It's raining outside. Okay, this is my homemade chili paste. I like it hot, so I put quite a generous amount of it. Um, this is tomato puree. I don't really like it so much of it. I don't like so much of it in my food, so I just put like 2 spoons like that. Okay, mix them well. And then we add in the beef. Yep, put them all in and mix them. Okay. What else? Okay, now we sprinkle a bit of flour, wheat flour or all-purpose flour. Not so much. Okay. And now we mix and make sure all the flour is dissolved into the beef mixture. And a bit of sugar, not so much. So we boil for about another minute, and then we put it in a different container, something that is suitable to be put into the oven. So we're going to bake this mixture for 3 hours under low temperature, say about 125 degrees Celsius. And if you notice, there are potatoes and carrots in there. I put them in on the second hour. This is Turkish bread, which my husband made. It goes very well with the stew. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. The meat, because we cooked it very slow and very long hours, it actually melts in your mouth. Want to try it? Okay, give it a go. Good luck. Bye.